So part 2 of this 1980s C10 video step side. So today we're gonna try to save ourselves some money too, and we're gonna, I don't know if you guys can hear me because some stupid idiot's car,
my car's faster than his,
is on somewhere and it's freaking loud as hell. But we're gonna try to save ourselves some money, and we're gonna try to restore these headlights. I'll show you what they look like. You guys can see they're all foggy and like they look good at night still, but the presentation makes the truck look hideous. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to not buff these out, but make them shine. So we're gonna scuff them with 100 grit sandpaper, and then we're just gonna clear coat them and see what happens. So I've got the sandpaper here in water already. I like the wet sand, and we just get started. So pretty much all we do is hit it with this. And since these are cheap, like eBay headlights that like the previous owner had on here, obviously they're not going to be the best. And let me get a rag. So I got myself my rag. We're just gonna wipe it down, and they're probably gonna look a little bit foggy, but that's okay. That's what the clear coat is for. So now let me grab the clear coat and let me spray it on here. So I just got a generic brand clear coat, Rust-Oleum Universal Clear Durable Top Coat. Works on just about everything. So let's spray that bad boy on here. Now we just wait for it to dry. So there you guys have it. That's one headlight and the other headlight. They definitely look 100 times better than they used to. So now the goal is to put the grill on, put the little headlight covers on, and we're just waiting on wheels for this truck, and then I'll show you guys that walk around video that I promised you guys. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have fun restoring your headlights for a cheap, easy price. I mean, it saves you a lot of money instead of buying new ones, and they'll last you a decent amount of time. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.